Rachel from You Got This Math, and I am so excited to be here today and share with you how to use these Google Slides. These Google Slides are based on the book called The Lion's Share. It is the sweetest book that talks about manners and sharing, and it's just a lot of fun. But it also teaches about fractions. So the lion decides to share his cake, and each animal takes a half. And of course, as they keep going further and further, the cake gets smaller and smaller. So it is a great way to show our children that when we multiply fractions, our numbers actually get smaller instead of bigger, which is what they are used to. So these are how the slides go. So the first slide that they'll come to is 1/2 of 1/2. So what we want to do is we want to take the 1/2 and we want to divide the half into a half. And we're going to go ahead and do that. And if you want to let them play with it, we can come up to here to format, click on the format, click on borders, we can change it to a bright green, and we can also come up here and change the line weight to an 8 where we can see it a little bit better. So we can see that we cut the fraction in half. So we see that we're only going to get one slice here. But the problem is that we didn't cut the whole thing in half. We do not have equal parts now. And we always know that our denominator is how many equal parts of a whole we have, and we do not have equal parts. So we need to come over here, and I'm just going to copy this, Control C, and then paste it, Control V, and I'm going to cut my other side in half too. Well, now you can see that I have 4 equal parts. I'm still only going to get one piece, but now I see that my denominator is 4. So 1/2 of 1/2 is 1/4. And that's our first answer right there. Well, let's jump down here to Mr. Hippo. So this time we're going to do 1/2 of 1/3. Again, we are going to come over here and we're going to divide the 1/3 into a half. And once again, we can always come up here, click on format, borders and line, change the line color to something fun like bright pink. Of course, your kids will have fun with that part if you choose to let them do that. We can always do our line weight again to 8, just so we can see it better. So we see if I take 1/3 and cut it in half, we're going to get one piece again. But once again, we are not finished because our denominator tells us how many equal parts are in a whole, and we do not have equal parts. So we need to copy, Control C, and then paste it, Control V, and we need to get all of these, and we can rotate it some, in half, and we need to cut each slice. I'm going to copy again, Control C, Control V, and get each slice cut in half. Now, once each slice is cut in half, we see that there are 6 equal pieces. So we are going to get 1/6 of the cake using this. And that is how we go through it. And the kids will work through each one, add the lines, write down what the fraction equals. You're developing fraction sense because they are having to remember that a denominator is equal parts of a whole. And they're also seeing what happens when I take and cut that fraction in half. And they're actually getting able to do that with the lines. I hope that helps. Have a wonderful day. I will talk to you guys later.